Hey everyone, my name is Vansi and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying home and staying safe. So some of you guys have requested me to create a makeup tutorial for college and office going girls, and how can I not listen to you guys? So here I am with a makeup tutorial using just 5 makeup products, and trust me, it's not gonna take more than 5 minutes to do this makeup because let's be honest, in the morning, no one is having that time to put so many makeup products on their face, and yet we all want to look put together and presentable at the same time. And of course, I know that we are not allowed to go out anywhere in this pandemic situation, but Zoom calls have become a new normal these days, and we need to do some kind of makeup before attending Zoom calls also. So, yeah, without a further ado, let's get started. I've just washed my face and applied a moisturizer on my face, and the moisturizer that I've used is the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. It's a really good moisturizer for people with oily skin types, so if you're looking for a good yet affordable moisturizer, then please give it a try. After the moisturizer, I'm gonna go in directly with the concealer because I just want to hide my flaws and let my skin look the way it is, but in a better way. And that is what you exactly want when you're attending Zoom calls or going to office or college, right? So the concealer that I'm using is the Fit Me concealer, and I'm in the shade 20 Sand. So I'll just apply concealer under my eyes and the areas where I think that I need coverage. Then with a beauty sponge, I'll just blend it all in. After you have done concealing your face, quickly go in with a setting powder and set your face because the concealer is gonna crease really quickly. So be quick when you are setting your concealer. Yes, I think it looks presentable enough. Now I'll go in with a mascara, and the mascara that I'm using is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. So after mascara, I'm gonna go in with the lipstick, and the lipstick that I'm using is by Maybelline Creamy Matte Collection, and I'm in the shade 660 Touch of Spice. It's a really good pinky nude that is perfect for day-to-day use, and I'm gonna go in with the same lipstick on my cheeks. And I know it's looking really weird right now, but it's gonna look like your own skin when you blend it out. You'll see it in a second. This acts as a creamy blush on your cheeks, and creamy blush obviously looks like your own skin. I mean, it looks like you've been taking your greens so properly and your skin is glowing from inside, but we applied a creamy blush. After I'm done with the blush, I am gonna go in with kajal. You can totally skip this step if you want, but I just think that my face looks more defined when I apply kajal. So now with the same kajal, I'm just gonna go in with a brush and the same kajal and just going to fill in my brows. If you're someone who has fuller eyebrows, then I envy you guys, but if you're someone like me, you need to spare 2 minutes of your time in doing your eyebrows. So yeah, this is what the final look looks like, and honestly I'm really happy with the way this look turned out to be because I've just used 5 products and my face is looking so much put together, and it does not look like I've applied so much of makeup on my face, and yet my face looks so much presentable enough. So yeah. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like my video and also subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Until next video, bye!